Hello! If you found your way to my channel for the first time, thank you and welcome! My name is Mama Mo, and today I am sharing what Mama Mo says. This is my kitchen twist on the aphorism, fake it till you make it. I think bake it till you make it is more apt, don't you think? In my world of hobby baking, to me, this means that I go out of my comfort zone of easy and familiar recipes and try the more difficult ones, those that I haven't even tried doing before. So I either bake it and bake it until I become an expert on it. A good example would be my learning how to beat egg whites into stiff peaks. You can't imagine how daunting and frustrating this task was before. But I just kept at it, I practiced, and motivated myself with the thoughts that I will be able to make some of those cakes that I wasn't able to before once I've mastered this technique. And when I made mistakes, I just kept a positive outlook. And with food, at least, you can eat your mistakes, right? So those were delicious mistakes. And what this all boils down to is actually just practice, practice, and practice. Have you ever done a similar thing in your life? Is there something you want to be, but know that you have to improve at a lot of things before you get there? Parallel to my baking adventures, I have many traits and skills that I know I have to improve at. My learning never stops no matter how old I get. And personally, one thing I would like to improve is the way I communicate. Right now, it takes me a while to learn the ins and outs of becoming a content creator on YouTube. But to get to my goal of becoming a communicator, this is the path I chose because I find it fun. I know I have a long way to go, but each day I do learn something new. I started from 0 subscribers, and I'm just amazed, humbled, and so grateful for each new viewer that I get. And it is exciting. So if you've made it this far to my video, thank you. And do click the subscribe button. This way, you'll be updated on any of my new and upcoming videos. I hope you come along on this journey with me as I continue to grow as a content creator. Let me end this by quoting Michelle Obama. In her book, Becoming, she said, and I quote, "For me, becoming isn't about arriving somewhere or achieving a certain aim. I see it instead as a forward motion, a means of evolving, a way to reach continuously towards a better self. The journey never ends." And by being honest and transparent with you, I hope that I'm able to inspire you to take that first step into becoming whatever you want to be. Bye! Thank you for watching.